Hey, Long Islanders! This is Dr. Devinder Bella from Hicksville Podiatry. I hope the video I provided for you is helpful and educational. You may be suffering from toenail fungus. Toenail fungus is also known as onychomycosis. It can be very embarrassing for patients. Honestly, majority of patients that come in that have toenail fungus, and there are quite a few patients that I see every day, are embarrassed by the look of their toenails, that the nail is thick or yellow or brown or with the white powdery underneath the nails. Fungus is very common, affecting millions of people every year. You no longer need to feel embarrassed to wear open-toed shoes, slipper, flip-flop, sandal, or just walking barefoot, just because of toenail fungus. Luckily, we have the latest powerful state-of-the-art laser technology to treat toenail fungus that will bring your nail back to healthy, fungus-free condition. We carry two of the best lasers in our office that treat toenail fungus. The laser we use in our office is FDA approved and is the only non-thermal, painless, FDA approved lasers on the market with no side effects. Laser therapy basically penetrates the nail bed and kill the fungus that's living underneath the nail without pain and without any side effects. I have been performing this latest laser for many years and have helped many hundreds of patients achieve clear toenails. If you are interested in more information about our laser treatment or how laser works, or you just want to check out if you're a good candidate for a laser and your goal is to have a clear, beautiful toenails, then click the button below to book an appointment. And I'm looking forward to see you in my office. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope this helped you.